Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to trade crypto futures in Canada. So in order to trade in futures in Canada, the best exchanges that I can recommend you are the Bitunix.com and the Bitget.com. So I'm going to show you how you can easily trade on both of these. So first you just have to come to Bitunix.com. So if you want to create your account on it, I have put my link down in the description, so you can use that link in order to save 25% on your trading fees. The best thing about this platform is that you don't need to actually provide any of the IDs of yours in order to create your account on it. So you can just go ahead, provide your email address and password and create your account and start using the futures option. So over here you need to click on the futures tab in the top, and then you will be in the futures section. Over here you just have to use these indicators in order to place it on this chart. In the right hand side we have the open and close option, so you can provide the limit order, market order and even trigger order. So we are going to get three options over here. Then you can add the quantity that you want to purchase. After that you can place the long call or the short call as per your analysis. After that you just have to simply wait for the indicators to work for you. Now before buying and selling, you must be thinking how you can deposit your money. So you just have to click on deposit, and then it will redirect you on the deposit page where you just have to select the coin, that can be USDT or any other coin, and then you just have to select the network. And after that you just have to copy the deposit address from here and use any other exchanges from which you can send your USDT into your Bitunix account. Then with the help of their futures option in the top, you can start trading futures in Canada on Bitunix. If you want to get your account on bitget.com, then I will put my link in the description as well, so you can use that link in order to save 20% on your trading fees. Now on bitget.com you need to click on the futures at the top, and here you just have to select the USDT and futures option. After that you will be landed on the futures page, where what you can do is you can simply select your pairs. So in order to select your pairs, you just have to click on this BTC/USDT pair, which would be in the perpetual, and in the left hand section you will be able to see all of the coins on which you can trade in future. Now after selecting the coin, you will be able to see its associated chart over here, as well as the indicators that you can place in order to make your trade. Here you will be able to see the order book and the market trades as well. In the right hand side you can get the leverage of up to 20x, and you can even get the limit order, market order and the post only order. After that you just have to provide the amount and enter the quantity, and you can open a long call and a short call. Here in order to deposit crypto, you just have to scroll down and click on the deposit option, and then you just have to simply get that particular QR code or the deposit address of that particular crypto which you want to deposit over here, and then you just have to simply start trading futures on Bitget. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.